This is how strawberry jam is made, from fresh fruits to factory production.
From fresh strawberries to sweet jam, every step is carefully controlled.
The most satisfying part is the thick jam pouring into jars.
The journey begins in strawberry farms where fresh fruit is grown.
Strawberries grow in perfect conditions to achieve their bright color and sweetness.
Each fruit is naturally rich in flavor and color.
Farmers carefully manage the crops before harvesting begins.
Only fully ripe strawberries are selected for processing.
The fruit is hand-picked to avoid damage.
Harvesting is done carefully to maintain quality.
The fruits are gathered quickly during peak harvest.
The harvested strawberries are transported for further processing. The fruits are placed into crates for transport. The crates are filled with fresh, ripe strawberries. The strawberries are prepared for transport to the factory. The crates are loaded for delivery.
Trucks carry the fresh fruit to processing facilities.
Care is taken to keep the fruit intact. Now the strawberries begin their journey to the factory.
The fruit travels quickly to maintain freshness.
The strawberries arrive at a modern processing factory.
The strawberries are unloaded at the factory.
The fruits move into the processing line. Thousands of strawberries move through the system.
The strawberries are washed thoroughly.
Washing removes dirt and impurities.
Clean fruit ensures high-quality jam. After washing, the fruits are sorted.
Damaged fruits are removed. Only the best strawberries are selected.
Machines help ensure uniform quality. The strawberries are now ready for processing. Now comes the most important transformation stage. The strawberries enter crushing machines. The fruits are broken down into pulp. The crushing releases juice and pulp. The pulp moves to cooking tanks. The mixture begins to take form.
This is the base for jam.
The pulp is transferred into cooking systems. Large batches are prepared at once. Now the cooking process begins. Heat is applied to transform the pulp. The mixture slowly starts to boil. This is where the jam thickens. The mixture boils at controlled temperature.
The texture becomes rich and smooth.
Continuous stirring ensures even cooking. The mixture becomes thicker over time. The consistency is carefully controlled. Large quantities are produced simultaneously.
The final texture is smooth and shiny.
The jam moves to the filling section. The flow shows its rich consistency. The product is now complete. Glass jars are prepared for filling. The jars are cleaned and aligned. Each jar is positioned perfectly. The filling process begins.
The rich texture is clearly visible.
The surface is smooth and glossy. The product is now ready for packaging. Each jar is labeled for identification.
The trays move to the boxing section.
Boxes are sealed tightly. The packaged boxes move forward. Automated systems stack boxes efficiently. The boxes are prepared for shipping. Pallets are wrapped for protection. This ensures safe transport. The pallets are moved to loading area. The products are loaded into trucks. The jam begins its journey to stores. The products travel across different locations. The jam arrives at distribution centers. The boxes are sorted for delivery. Automated systems help organize shipments. The jam reaches retail stores. The jars are stocked for customers. Bright jars attract attention. Customers can now enjoy the product. The journey is almost complete.
From farm to your home. This is the final result of the process. Rich color and texture make it satisfying. Fresh, rich, and perfectly made.